Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are collection Women's Day web banner template. You can easily download from the link in the description. Here my website build GFX. You can download from here, and just you can simply search over here. And here is template. Basically, you will download the WinRAR file, so you need to extract this, and you will get this folder. And here is a template. You can see these are files in EPS or WSTR format, and also in JPG format. So just wait for a second. Here you can see, and here is a log illustrator format. Just wait, you can see. You can see these are customizable, and you can easily tune from it. Also change color and so on. I know you can do this. And here is again EPS format, different files. And love lister format, PNG format, and love lister. One click customizable. You can easily customize into your own branding. I know you can do this by just showing you a quick overview. So you can double click here, customize it, cancel. Here you go, and Control S is for save. It's okay. And here is other files. Okay, these are not the same thing, these are quite different things. You can see the difference here, and here. So okay, I think that will be enough to give you overview. Again, these are all customizable. You can easily customize it. Okay, so you can also download other graphic templates from my website. These are free to download. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.